Hi, this kata is called split strings. What do we have to do? Well, our function takes a string as an input, and what we have to do is to divide the string into pairs of two characters. But note, if the string contains an odd number of characters, then we should add an underscore at the very end. How to go about this? First things first, we are dealing with an odd number of characters here, so we should add an underscore, as we have seen. How do we do that? Well, by checking a condition. So let's print out the string, the length of the string, and check the condition. The length of the string, modulo 2, should not be equal to 0. In such a case, we are dealing with an odd number of characters. True. And modulo 2 is not equal to 0 basically means if I divide 3 by 2, that's possible, but you have a remainder of 1. Hence, it is an odd number. So if this condition is met, then we should add up a underscore. Let's check our work. Yeah, and when we have a string with an even number of characters, then nothing will be done. And from here, I want to generate a bunch of integers to do some slicing, but we get there. So for index in the range, starting from 0 till the length of the string, this will print out 4 integers from 0 till 3. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. And with these indices, we can access the individual letters in the string, like this. But what we have to do is to actually access the pairs and not the individual letters. But for that, we need slicing, and we only need the even indices. What do I mean by that? Well, the range function can also take a third argument, and what we have to put in as a third argument is a 2. We only want the even numbers, 0 and 2 in other words. Let's check it again. There we have A and C, but again, these are individual letters. So what we have to do is to use slicing. On the left-hand side, we start accessing the elements in the string. On the right-hand side, we identify where to stop. If I do this, we won't print anything. So on the right-hand side, we should add up 2. That basically means, hey, we start off with 0 and 0, but we add 2. So that basically means we print A and B. The next iteration, the index will be 2 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, it will also be 2, but we add 2 again. So we'll print from 2 till 4. And that basically means we only print the C and the D. And in the first place, we only print the A and the B. Enough talking, let's check it out. Yeah. And what do we have to do with these pairs? Well, we have to append to a new list. Oh yeah, that was the task. So result is equal to an empty list. And let's append it. And let's print it. A, B, and C, D. Yeah, in such a case, we can return it outside the loop. And that will do the trick. Let's check it out again for an odd number of characters. Perfect. The last character is being replaced with an underscore. Let's check it out. Attempt. And there we go. I hope this has been helpful, that you learned something from it. Well, thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.